Rowserworld. I think that's what I want to do. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to put a line through the middle of my page. Okay, and then I'm just going to start from there. I'm going to go with this bullet shape here. Okay. And once I have that bullet shape in there, okay. Okay. Remember, you start out just getting a little warmed up here. I don't even know what I'm seeing yet. I don't know what I want to do yet. I kind of do I kind of draw around the features first before, so I can figure out, what it is exactly I want to do. So I see here, I got this bullet shape here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in from here at this point here. So I want that's my arrow shape, and this is going to be kind of the top of my arrow here. Hey, buddy. Oh boy, I'm in the middle of I forgot to tell y'all, I'm streaming early today. Hey, Eden, come over here. Yeah. Hey, buddy, say hello. Come on. Say hello. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Say this is my little man here. You didn't kiss Daddy yet this morning. Hey. Where's Daddy's kiss? Okay, you too grown for that right now? You all see, that's wrong, Ethan. Hey, you ain't say hello to Daddy yet. Daddy's kiss. Hey. All right, there we go. Thank you so much. He's doing this thing. All right, buddy. I'm going to let you get out of here so we can finish streaming. Okay, come on. Oh, look at his hat. He got his cool hat on. I like your hat, buddy. Yeah, he's getting to be a big old fella now, isn't he? All right, let me see here. All right, let me see here. So now I'm going to do something like this here. Okay. So I'm looking, I want to get that shape in here right first. And then once I got that shape, I feel like everything's pretty much home free from here. I can see that this shape right here is a very little shape here in the middle. Like this, how I know how to bring the hair around is how I think about my arrow. So my arrow is kind of stopping right around here somewhere. So I'm thinking about, this is like in my mind, I'm seeing a baseline here. That's how I know how to make it not too full, where it's wrapping around too much. And then from here, I can kind of come out a little bit. Okay, and then over here, let me see here. Kind of shape is that I'm seeing? This will be a predictor of how my drawing day is gonna go, right? Okay. All right, so we pretty much got the head shape down. Okay, so I'm going to do my brow shape here. So let me see here. I'm gonna do something like this here. So that line that I put down the middle of my page is very helpful when I draw my eyebrows. I think because it's hold on one second. I think because it's very what's the word I'm looking for? It kind of teaches me. I see how her eyebrows have a lot of interaction between it's a lot of angled, like her eyes kind of come down into that line. So that line just kind of gives me a baseline of how to do that. As far as her eye shape here, now I was thinking about this before I started this picture. When I looked at it at first before I got online, I was like, I think her eyes were more than the 45-degree angle that I normally use. I could use that angle, and it might work out well, or I could go with something that's more of a triangle shape, which I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. But I'm gonna try the triangle and see how it works out. Or I could just go ahead and do my nose shape first, and let's see how everything falls in. From there, let me see. Maybe if I'm gonna make this kind of full here. Another thing is when I do different certain shapes, in order to keep the shape looking full, I'll try not to pick my pen up off the paper to be able to do it. So that's another little thing that I. All right, let me see here. Let me put this in here. I don't even have to go here yet. I could just do something like this. Okay. I think that's gonna be, yeah, so we do a little light line here. Okay. And a little white line there. Okay. Oh yeah, and then we got some good dimples there. And you know what? I think I really I like the way it's coming out. So now I can kind of see. I guess we can put her teeth in there too. Why not? We don't have to get stuck in a pattern. I don't have to do everything the same way every time. I can change it up, you know, just to keep it interesting. You know, every face is a new challenge to me. You know what I mean? Every face is a new challenge. All right, let's see here. Let's go with this. Let's see what these eye shapes looking like. I think I'm gonna go with something. I think I'm gonna try this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the triangle and see if this is something new. I'm gonna just draw the end of the triangle like this. I don't want to put the whole shape in there. I'm getting out of the habit of drawing whole shapes and using shapes where they're a little bit more what's the word I'm looking for? Suggested, you know. You got to use suggestion in the caricature. So that's a way that's something that's going to make your picture look a little bit more. It's going to give it a cool little touch. You know what I mean? When you do it like that. So I'm just going to do my little eyelashes here. All right. Okay. And of course, I'm going to give my signature long eyelashes, right? I'm just going with the current trend, right? The current trend is everybody wants long eyelashes. Even cars, apparently. I saw a car the other day with some long eyelashes. I was like, wow, look at that car. That eyelashes on that car right there, right? Yeah, it's funny. All right, and there we go. All right, I think that you know, it didn't come out too bad to say, you know, it's my first drawing of the day. Yeah, it didn't come out too bad. Let me see here. Let me see here. Let me see. Let me do this right here. Oh boy, here we go. He's already crying. He's up early and he's crying. That means he's hungry. A little fella. Yeah. Nobody can believe he's 2 years old. He looks like he's. We took him to a party the other day. He was the size of 4-year-olds at a party, right? Right. So when when he started rolling around on the floor, everybody was like, "This guy's acting completely immature." You know, I was like, he's only 2. He doesn't know. This is what 2-year-olds do, I think, right? And let's see. So let's do a little bit of shadow work here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's put a little makeup in there. All right. See, if you don't, you might want to study some makeup videos. It'll teach you how to do this. What you need, where you need to put these little shadows. That it'll teach you how to bring the face out just a little bit more. I think that one looks great right there. Let's see. All right. Oh yeah, she's looking great. She's looking jazzy. She's looking. Yes, awesome. All right, now, you know, I bought some crayons yesterday, but I'm gonna save those for the party. But I got some. I think I got a black crayon here somewhere. You know, I got blue. I got gray. I need black though. Do 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 do. Okay, well I just turned my mic thing a little bit closer to me. So here I was using a little crayon action. I got a little nub of a crayon left here, so I'm gonna do this hair and fill it in real good. I'm just gonna keep it simple today. I'm not gonna do a whole lot. The hair comes really easy to me for some reason. I guess maybe because of the way I see things. And hair is really, I'm gonna tell you one thing I learned about hair. It's the ultimate. You have to be spontaneous in the way, organized but spontaneous at the same time about how you color hair in, because hair has, it's a lot of shapes interacting with each other and light reflecting off of each shape differently. So you have to color. It's not really that hard once you understand how to color shapes. I always teach my students in class to always to practice with 3D shapes, just random. Drawing caricatures is not just about drawing the face, but it's also about understanding shapes and then how shapes interact with one another. What they make you feel like when you do it a certain way. And one thing I can't stress is the power of just association. Using what you know to teach you what you don't know. You know what I mean? That's why, if you ever read scripture, it talks about different things. One story I remember in particular in the scriptures was talking about why why Jesus talked to people in parables. And he was like, because it's a way for you to relate the information to your life versus me just telling you something. If I tell you something and you can't see it, then I might as well not have told you that in the first place, because you can't see it. So my particular style of teaching caricatures is always to come with something that I think you understand already. You know what I mean? Versus me coming to you with this, let me show you how smart I am. Have you ever heard of a ditrectomectomy? You know what I mean? And then you know what I'm saying? No, I don't know what that is. Okay. Yeah. Well, let me tell you what it is. I'll be right back. And I had to go get a book and look it up myself because I just made that word up. I don't know. But it's you know what I mean? I don't want to teach like that. I like to talk about things that are common to people. You know what I mean? All right. So let me see here. All right, and remember, guys, if you just real quick, welcome to the stream. How are you today, guys? Good morning. My name is Mr. Rouser, Harry. If you want to call me Harry, for you older folks that are, you younger, you can call me Mr. Rouser. Right? Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like.
Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So, guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.